Hey Cougs! I hope you all had a great weekend. I'm Maddie and I'm back with more fantastic events happening this week, so let's jump right in. Are you graduating this semester? If so, Monday marks the beginning of Ring Week. Ring Week activities, which kick off on Monday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., will take place in the UH Athletics Alumni Center, O'Quinn Great Hall. This is your opportunity to meet one-on-one with the BLAFFER representative and ask questions about ordering your UH class ring. Remember, this will continue all week from Monday to Thursday. Please RSVP using the link provided in the description. From Tuesday through Sunday, visit the BLAFFER Art Museum to explore the secrecy of water, the first solo museum exhibition of work by artist Leslie Martinez. Martinez creates immersive spellbinding paintings that explore ideas of place, climate, landscape, and personhood through various materials, textures, and hues on canvas. Come out and experience the secrecy of water at the BLAFFER Art Museum this Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you're a 4th or 5th year graduate student, you don't want to miss the UH HINES College Career Fair Networking Reception on Wednesday from 6 to 8 p.m. at the UH Alumni Center. Employers and students are invited to meet and network before the career fair. Student registration is required. Register using the link in the description. Are you a pre-medical or pre-dental student? If so, HPAC has invited you to attend the Personal Statement Workshop located at the Business Building Room CBB 238 this Thursday from 1 to 2 p.m. RSVP is required. RSVP using the link in the description. Now it's time for this week's health tip. Despite being obvious, the importance of diet and nutrition cannot be overstated in maintaining optimal health. With every meal, college students have the freedom to choose what they want to eat. Sleep, exercise, diet, and nutrition will dictate cognitive performance, physical well-being, and overall immunity. To learn more about how you can eat healthy, visit the links in the description. Now it's time for some reminders. Did you know that UH offers affordable and accessible therapy for all students? Let's Talk is a program that provides easy access to informal confidential consultations with therapists from counseling and psychological services. Consultations are available to the entire UH community, students, staff, and faculty. Consultations are free of charge and no appointment or paperwork is needed. For more information, visit the link in the description. That's all for this week, Cougs. I'll be back soon to keep you in the loop. Bye!